Hey guys! Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about 5 physical traits that girls find attractive in men. And in my opinion, these are super easy fixes that pretty much any guy can do. And some of them may take some work, but I think that they're very simple things that someone will notice right off the bat and can easily enhance your confidence exponentially. So, trait number 1, I think being in shape or trying to get a more athletic or muscular build. Women obviously find a bigger man more attractive because it makes us feel smaller. It makes us feel more feminine. So I think that this is one of the more easy fixes because there's no harm in going to the, no one's saying that you need to have a 6-pack or be absolutely shredded and just like veins popping, but anyone can go to the gym and walk on the treadmill. Anyone can go to the gym and lift some weights here and there. And overall, it will just increase your confidence exponentially because you will feel more confident in talking to people. You will just feel better when people look at you. You'll have more heads turn. On top of that, girls like a guy that have a more muscular build because it gives them a more masculine frame. It also just overall shows the girl that you take care of yourself and you care about your body, you care about your health, you care about how you look, which most people today really don't really care about how presentable they are to others, and people now, we all know, are just a lot more lazy than they used to be with media and entertainment and everything, which is totally understandable. But I think that just heading to the gym every so often whenever you can get some time in, or even doing some at-home exercises so that you just have a little bit better build and feel more healthy overall and look more healthy, would increase confidence immensely. Number 2, facial hair. So facial hair again gives a really masculine energy off of you. Women find facial hair attractive. Most women do. And if you can't grow in a lot of facial hair, that's okay. But for people that can, facial hair really just ups your attractiveness to a different level. It overall just makes you look more manly, which what girl wouldn't want a more manly guy? Number 3, dressing well. I think that how you present yourself to the public, whether you're at the store or the gym or wherever you want to be, I think that putting on clothes that you really like and is your style and you think makes yourself look good will increase your confidence overall. And then on top of that, you will look more appealing to other people. And girls just find that when a guy has his own sense of style or likes his own style, or even if they think that his style is really, really cute, then it just makes you 10 times more attractive. It's also, in my opinion, a really easy fix to just like go to the mall and pick out some new clothes to buy, some new things to wear, and it might not be your thing, but I think that once you put it on, you instantly feel better about yourself when you look good in the clothes you're wearing. And it just takes one day out of your week to like go to the mall, or 1 hour out of your week to go to the mall and pick out some clothes. So it's a really easy fix to do. Number 4, good hygiene. Just being well kept overall is a huge thing that makes boys way more attractive to girls. Every guy likes when a girl smells good, their hair smells good, their skin smells good. They just look really clean and fresh, and girls feel the same way about guys. If you have really messy hair and it's very unbrushed all the time, or if you only throw on a hat like every single day of your life because you don't want to do it, if you don't smell very good, I think that it's really important to invest in good cologne just one time, or just like a good body spray. Always wear deodorant, always have your hair decently well kept. Obviously, depending on where you're going, of course, you don't have to look 10 out of 10 every single day. But I think that investing in good hygiene products will immensely increase the attractiveness from other girls to you. And again, it's really easy to go to the mall and pick out some scents that you think really smell good. And I mean, when you smell good, you know you smell good. Like, you can smell yourself, if you know what I mean. And so if a girl walks past you and they smell something and it's you, they're gonna instantly be like, oh my God. And you'll just instantly catch their eye. So I think investing in good hygienic care is very, very important when it comes to confidence and attractiveness levels in men for women and for yourself overall. Number 5, this one might piss a couple people off, but height. I think height is something that people cannot change, and some people are born with good tall height and good genetics, and some people aren't. But I think that there are ways that you can sneakily make yourself appear more tall than you actually are. The same way that girls wear tons of makeup to change little things about their appearance and to enhance their features and such. I think that investing in a pair of shoes that are just a little bit thicker, like an inch or 2, or you could get some heel lifts that go inside of shoes to make yourself present taller. I think that standing really tall with your shoulders back and just appearing more broad also gives a lot of height difference. And on top of that, because your stature is more open, it makes you more open to the public. So if a girl sees you open and broad and standing tall, you instantly catch their eye. You're not slouched over, you don't look introverted, you just look more easy to approach and come up to, and overall more attractive. So yeah, I just thought these were some 5 really easy fixes that you can just do to yourself to really just enhance you as a person physically, mentally, your confidence level. And not only is this for a woman's value or validation, but I think that overall using these 5 little tips and tricks to enhance how you look and feel about yourself will tremendously change the way that you interact with people, how you communicate with even men or women, it does not matter. So those were 5 physical traits that I think women find very attractive in men, and easy fixes that you can do at home within the span of a week. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Bye.